Now that you've gone ahead with your products, here's what you can expect. Our bookings department will contact you via text message within 24 to 48 business hours with a time frame and a date for your final measure appointment. You will need to respond to the text message to confirm your appointment. If the time and date does not suit you, you can respond to the text message with your best availability and we will do our very best to accommodate. You must be present at the time of the final measure, as this is where all the details of your order are finalised and signed off on. Once the final measure is complete, your order will go into production. As soon as the office receives an ETA for your products, the bookings department will contact you again via text message with a proposed installation date and time frame. You must reply to this text message to confirm that you will be available at this time. However, your appointment will not be confirmed and locked in until the final balance is paid. This is due a minimum of 7 days prior to the date sent to you for your installation. If your final balance is not paid by the due date mentioned in the text message, your installation may be moved out and rescheduled to the next availability. You will need to be present at the installation appointment to sign off that everything is completed. If you have not taken advantage of our takedown and removal service, you will need to have all existing window furnishings removed prior to the installer arriving on the day. If you require the takedown and removal service, please contact your rep as soon as possible to organise this for your order. Customer satisfaction is our priority and we look forward to working with you to help complete your home with our exceptional products and service. Thank you for supporting your local family business. Sometimes things don't go 100%. In the case we find that one of your products requires a rework, the installer will advise you. They will then fill out a comprehensive report and send this to our aftercare and warranty department, who will contact you the following day to inform you of the progress and ETA of your rework. Rework orders are prioritised with our suppliers and we have a dedicated team to assist with any queries. We understand this can be frustrating to hear if there are issues. However, please be rest assured that our team of experts are here to help and we ask that you remain calm and respectful throughout the process as we work tirelessly to rectify the matter.